Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Yesterday night I did a Instagram live with a boy who's from a village which is 40 kilometers away from Dhanbad. So he asked me, Sir, मैं गांव से हूँ. I want to join merchant navy. My parents tell me go become an engineer. अगर if I ask somebody from merchant navy, should I join merchant navy? They tell me don't join, don't join, don't join. They don't give me the reason, but they tell me why not to join. Sir, मैं बताइए क्या करूँ? I discussed a lot with him, but unfortunately that video could not be uploaded. Something went wrong at Instagram. That video is deleted. Otherwise, I would have put that video. That would have made more sense. But जो मैंने उससे बात करी है, I thought this is a very very relevant thing. So first thing, आप कभी किसी पायलट से मिले, you meet someone from the aviation industry and ask him that sir should I become a pilot? And yes, do it from 10 to 12 people and you'll get different ideas. अरे most of them will be don't join aviation industry. Why? Because abhi Go First got bankrupt and so many other industries are getting bankrupt. Kingfisher Airlines got bankrupt. In between, so many airlines people lost their jobs as well. And it is not that you become a pilot after investing 1 crore rupees and you will immediately get a job, unless until you're with Indigo. They have got their own college. So there are challenges. People tell you, okay, don't join merchant Navy, but go for IIT. But how many people get selected in IIT? Second thing, people tell, okay, go for NDA. 6 to 8 lakh people sit for exam and only 400 get selected. What about the other 5,99,600 people? What about them? So I request all those people जो कि लोगों को मर्चेंट नेवी में, खुद मर्चेंट नेवी में उनको मना कर रहे हैं, वो उनका पूरा जाने उनसे कि भाई तुम्हारा क्या स्किल सेट है, तुम्हारा क्या टैलेंट है, पूरा जाने. फर्स्ट थिंग. And then after that, give them a reason that what they can do and why merchant navy does not suit them. If this boy is from Dhanbad, if this boy is not only from Dhanbad but he comes from a village near Dhanbad, if he comes from a lower middle class family where investment cannot be much, if he thinks that he's an average student with less exposure where he cannot go for those high-fi coaching institutes which even still do not give surety that he will get into IITs, then does merchant navy make sense or not? So for all those people who are in merchant navy, you tell me, if we think that we are an average student, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80% guy, we always thought that we are not made for getting into IITs, yaar. And still today we are earning in lakhs. Not because we are geniuses, not because we are super duper intelligent, but only because we are hardworking, we can stay away from family, we have got mental and physical toughness, and with that what we are getting is financial stability, which we did not have earlier. So we should be thankful to the profession that we have. And yes, मैं आपसे अगर ये कहूं कि मैंने कभी किसी को मना नहीं किया इनिशियल फेजेस में, आई सेड नो टू अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल बिफोर आई स्टार्टेड माय ओन इंस्टीट्यूट. I did not want to start JMD Academy for Merchant Navy. I wanted to do it for NDA. But when I was doing it for NDA, I realized a lot of people were telling me कि भाई तुम तो Merchant Navy से हो, तुम NDA क्यों करना चाहते हो? So then I started digging deeper into different professions. MBA graduates, executive MBA graduates, doctors, CAs, and different fields. And then I realized, या for any person who comes from a lower middle class family, जिसके घर में भूख है, परेशानी है, for any person who does not think that he's a genius, 98% guy who likes to study all the time, for any person who has the hunger to become something good in life and earn some money, this can be a great profession. Only if he's ready to work hard, only if he's ready to not quit, only if he knows that he can slog, he's a hard worker. So now, for all those people जो लोगों को मना कर रहे हैं कि आप मर्चेंट नेवी मत ज्वाइन कीजिए, आस्क देम कि आपकी स्ट्रेंथ क्या है. मैं ये नहीं कहता मना मत कीजिए, लेकिन उनको नो के साथ क्या करना चाहिए ये सुविधा. अरे IIT कर लो, अरे नीट कर लो, विदाउट नोइंग द स्ट्रेंथ्स डज नॉट मेक सेंस. दैट इज नॉट राइट काउंसलिंग. नहीं, किसी भी चीज को कहना बहुत आसान है, वेरी इजी, अरे ये मत करो, ये मत करो, ये मत करो, बट सोल्यूशन सही देना वो ही सही जानकारी है. मैं कहूंगा आप लोगों से कि अगर आप किसी से कहते हैं नहीं ज्वाइन करो तो बताइए क्यों मत ज्वाइन करिए, बट साथ में बताइए कि अगर फिर भी तुम जाना चाहते हो तो ये सही तरीका है जाने का, इसके अलावा कुछ मत करना. अगर आप ये कंप्लीट जानकारी देते हैं और उस बच्चे को अपने भविष्य के ऊपर छोड़ते हैं, आपका यह फर्ज है, तो मुझे लगता है वो बच्चा बेटर डिसीजन ले पाएगा और आपकी रिस्पेक्ट भी करेगा. विद दिस ऑल आई कैन से, जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता.